In this video, we're going to analyze BYU's final drive against Utah and see whether Will Farron or Jake Retzlaff put in more force and did more work. Here's some background that we won't get into. First, we're going to watch the throw from Retzlaff. Awesome. Okay, here's the throw. So when we analyze this, we can do it just with our kinematic equations by breaking it up into X and Y components. You can see our measurements from the video and our assumptions. And it turns out that the total velocity of the throw was just over 23 meters per second, which is just about on par with an average throw velocity for the NFL. That would be around 21 meters per second. And so this checks out pretty well. And if we use our conservation of energy equations to find the force, whoops, here it is, then we can see that the force done by Retzlaff was just over 110 newtons. I did assume that kinetic energy, rotational, and also our potential energy were negligible. Those values both came out to be less than 1, and so I didn't include them in the work here. Next is going to be the video of our kick. Awesome. And so for the kick, we can use the exact same equations, again, breaking it up into X and Y, and find that it was about 25.98 meters per second. Our one assumption was that the net was 10 yards behind the field goal posts. And if it was longer, then it might have been a bit faster of a kick. But this kick clearly comes out to be a much higher force than the throw done by Retzlaff. And so Will Farron put in more force. However, if we look at the work done, we can see that Retzlaff might have actually done more work. If this distance was increased to about 4 inches over 2, then Farron would have done more work. And so that assumption might be a little bit iffy, but there it is.